One credit card gave me 75,000 points. That got me 2 free round-trip flights to Europe. I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. This was the first travel credit card I ever applied for. It changed how I travel permanently. I haven't paid full price for a flight since. Step 1. Apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Step 2. Spend $5,000 in the first 3 months on normal everyday purchases, groceries, gas, subscriptions. Step 3. 75,000 Ultimate Rewards points land in your account. Transfer them one-to-one to United Mileage Plus. A round-trip flight to Europe costs 30,000 to 35,000 miles. That's 2 free flights with points left over. I used these exact points to fly to Tbilisi for that $30 a day breakdown video and to Sarajevo for my Europe budget city breakdown. Free flights plus cheap cities equals an almost completely free vacation. Where would you fly in Europe with 2 free flights? Drop your dream European city in the comments right now.